In this video, we will look at subtraction. Place value is still very important. We have our tens and our units, our tens and our units. When we use the column method, we need to make sure that the place value lines up. We have 8 tens, 7 units, 2 tens, 9 units, and we are subtracting. When we are looking at subtraction, it's very important that we look at the numbers at the top and ensure that we are always taking away a smaller number from a bigger number. An easy way to think of this is that the number on top being the amount of money you have. The number underneath is what something costs. Now in this case, if we have £7, we can't buy something that costs £9 unless we borrow some money. In this case, we would look to the number next door to borrow. And if we borrow from the 8, we end up with 7. When we give to this 7, we end up with 17. We now have enough money to buy the thing that costs our £9. 17 take away 9 is 8. 7 take away the 2 gives us 5. So 87 take away 29 is 58. Press pause and try the your turn question. We have tens and units, tens and units. So we'll use our tens and our units in our column. We have 66, take away 37. We have 6 on the top and 7 underneath. Again, we think if we've got £6, can we afford something that costs 7? The answer should be no. We will need to borrow from the number next door. If we borrow from 6, we are left with 5. We can give the 1 to the 6 to make it now 16. 16, take away the 7, gives me 9. And 5, take away the 3, gives me 2. So 66, take away 37 is 29. In these examples, the process is the same, we just have some bigger numbers to deal with. We have thousands, hundreds, tens and units on both of our numbers. We need to make sure that they are all lined up as they should be. 7,906. We are subtracting 1,449. We have 6, take away the 9. This time, if we look to the number next door, it's a 0. When you have zeros next door, the easiest way to think of this is by looking to the next number again. And we can see here the next number again means that we're looking to see if we can borrow from 90 instead. We will borrow from the 90, and if we borrow 1 from 90, it makes it 89. We can then give our 1 to the 6 to make it 16. 16, take away 9, is 7. 9, take away 4, is 5. 8, take away 4, is 4. And 7, take away 1, is 6. So the answer to 7,906 take away 1,449 is 6,457. Press pause while you try the your turn question. We have thousands, hundreds, tens and units on both of our numbers. It's important that when we calculate these, they are placed in place value order. So 7,805 take away 1,787. When we look at 5, take away the 7, the number on top is too small. We need to look to the number next door to borrow. It is now a 0, which means we look to the number next door again, and we can see that we now have 80. If we borrow 1 from 80, we are left with 79. And now we can give to the 5 to make it 15. 15, take away the 7, gives us 8. 9, take away the 8, gives us 1. 7, take away 7, gives us 0. And 7, take away 1, gives us 6. So the answer to 7,805, take away 1,787 is 6,080.